TCF was started in 2009 for males at risk of testicular cancer, 15 to 35. We exist so that nobody goes through this journey alone. So our goal is to be there at 2 a.m. when people are scared. They may have a lump or some other symptom of testicular cancer. They're looking for answers in the middle of the night, scared to talk about it, scared to go to the doctor. We want to be their first line of resource and hope that we can help them through the journey. Prior to Chatbase, we would get emails, voicemails, text messages, Facebook inquiries, Instagram DMs, all sorts of incoming messages, people looking for answers, people looking for support. I would say that our email volume has gone down. The time that it takes to triage new inquiries has gone down, and we're finding that the agent is almost like having a full-time employee, which is incredible. It's really allowed us to scale our impact and help more people. We had a static website. It was very content heavy. People can spend hours combing through all the data, the blog posts. But now with Chatbase, they're able to have a natural language conversation and really find what they're looking for immediately. It's not even that they're finding it quickly, they're finding it immediately. So without knowing it, we had really positioned ourselves well to have a Chatbase agent on the site. We had gone through about 12 months of content creation, and using some of our other vetted sources that we plugged into the agent, we were able to deploy it really fast, and we knew right from the start that it was going to be a good resource for our constituents. Once people get on the journey with the Chatbase agent, they can go down the rabbit hole. They can learn more about testicular cancer. They can take the agent any kind of direction they want to go and learn more about their particular testicular cancer journey. But I found that Chatbase was cost-effective. It was easy to deploy. I was able to get it all set up and trained and deployed probably within an hour, and we were off and running with it.